All right, we are here at Shell / on or Wash and Run in Houston, Texas. We got ourselves a Mark VII Softwash XT. And so there's the wash packages. I'm gonna get the top one. Okay. So apparently can't use debit at this. So that's dumb. Try this again. We're gonna say no this time because it's not. All right, here we go. Start with our undercarriage wash. You can see all the chemicals there. Wash Tech panel says waiting for car. This is my first Mark VII with the older gantry design. That's got the virtual treadle. No working buzzer. Ooh, this thing sounds rough. This thing sounds very rough. So here we go with a rinse. Somebody always decides to come behind me. I hope this isn't supposed to be our pre-soak, because if it's pre-soak, that's horrible. It's just water. And here we go with Tri-Foam, which is really watery garbage. Did not get the top at all, barely got the front, didn't get the back at all, didn't get the side. Here we go. Let's see if this one can properly profile the car. As it goes all the way down. Nope, not touching the hood at all. I think it's trying a wheel scrub. I can't get that on video. Oh gosh. Just tried moving forward, now it's coming back again. Now we're finally making contact, and now we're stopped again. I think we're trying to do another wheel scrub. Now it's going forward. Oh man, this thing is just all sorts of confused. Yeah, it's definitely trying a wheel scrub, I think. Here we go. So we're making contact everywhere now. Now we're stopping. It looks like we're searching for the rear wheels now. Definitely, I'm going to say it doesn't have them. I think it's buffing my door right now, if that's what we're waiting on. Oh, good lord. The sensors on this thing need to be... Okay, now we're at the back. Maybe it did get them. Now coming down the back, it hasn't gotten the back yet. It's going way back. And now we're moving forward. It's going to do its brush flip. And we're going to work our way back up. That thing profiled the back very nicely. So now we're making our way forward again, and we're stopping again halfway for some unknown reason. Not profiling anything whatsoever as we come back down the front of the car. That's all a rinse. It did not make contact whatsoever anywhere. Mark 7, please fix your Softwash XT, especially the newer ones. Like, I get this one's old and could have some positioning issues, which it obviously does. But the newer ones, come on. So if this is all I get for a $10 wash, that signage does nothing. I'm gonna be pretty upset. Those nozzles there are pretty useless. I don't know if they're supposed to be doing anything. But I feel like this is all I'm getting. I feel like this is supposed to be a spot-free rinse. Oh no, Rain-X. Okay, the signage is working. And it looks like there is no Rain-X. It looks just like regular water to me. But it's beating. Sort of. Not really. I feel like half my car just got coated in Rain-X and the other half didn't, because one half is beating, the other half is not. Now we're getting spot-free rinse. Now our dryer should be kicking on. Oh, it's moving back and go. I'm gonna guess that was 65 seconds of drying time. You know, these dryers aren't as good as the ones that have 6 on the side, down the side. Get some water blasted through the sunroof. 30 seconds left. And now it's not really getting the back at all. So we're going to head and go forward. Still have 10 seconds left. And that's it. So this was a Mark VII Softwash XT at Shell off of Alabama Street in Houston, Texas. Thank you guys for watching. Just going to do a quick update here. You could say it profiled my car very well, as it completely bent the license plate up. I don't think it did anything here. but it completely just bent my plate up. That car wash is fail.